welcome back to Flash Custom Designs. Today we are going to do a quick video on how to convert a regular picture file into a SVG file. Today with my SVG, I am making a decal as a Christmas present for one of my cousins. I think it'd be great and I think she loves it. If today is your first time here, thank you for tuning in. My name is Chelly. Here on my channel, I offer tips, tricks, and tutorials on a small business, also making custom merchandise and custom items. So let's get straight into the video. I do have two websites I'll be using, and I'll also link those websites in the description. Okay, so let's get right into it. We're going to go to our Chrome, Google. First thing we want to do is remove the background. Let me show you what picture we'll be working with today. We'll be working with this picture. This is Callie Amor. She is my cousin and so beautiful. So today we'll be making that. First thing I want to do is I want to get rid of the background. So I found a really good background remover website. So we're going to go ahead and go to that. So it is remove.bg. Easy stuff. Remove image. Perfect. All I want to do is upload my image. So let's go find her. Here she is. And it will remove the background. I am a human. Let's go. All right, perfect. It automatically removes the background for us. So I want to go ahead and download that. It's open. So I'm going to right click, save as. So I'm just going to save it as Callie No Background. Okay. Save. All right. So now I want to turn this into a SVG file. So then the second website I go to is Pick SVG. There it is. And they have several different to convert to SVGs, but this is just one that I like. So see how it's going to do. This is my original photo and then what it's going to download it to. Something I'm trying to make a decal. So we're going to upload the Callie No Background here. Perfect. There's Callie. So this is what I want to use as a decal. So let's go ahead. So they have different options here. So you can pick whichever one works best. This one's not so many details. Let's go ahead and go through them. This one is a lot of details. I like that one. This one is a little bit more. They just kind of vary. And depending on what picture you have, it'll just work best. You'll be able to pick which one works best for you. So I think I like, is it 4? No, I like the 1. Is it 3? I forgot. Let me see. I think it's 3. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pick that one. Let's go ahead. The only thing you do is very easy, very simple. We're going to download SVG. So that is my decal that I'm going to be using. Beautiful, love the details. Still see her pigtails, still kicking with her kicks. So I'm going to right click, save as. I save it to my desktop just so I can find it easier. I'm going to save it as Callie SVG. Save. All right, so now we're going to go straight into our Cricut. Okay, so I definitely tried to do it as a SVG. For whatever reason, my Cricut was not allowing me to cut. I think it was because it was too many pieces. So I found an alternate way. I went ahead and found the image, this image. I screen printed it. If you go to the screen print button on your keyboard, it will take a screenshot of that. I went ahead and went to my Paint 3D and I right clicked and paste, and there is my screen print. So I'm going to go ahead and just get what I need done. So this is what I need. So let's go ahead and file, save as, and we're going to Callie. So that's going to be our new one. So now let's go back to Cricut. Since this isn't allowing me to make it, we don't need it anymore. So let's go ahead and upload Cali. So this is our screen print one of Cali, and there we are. So this is just like a regular file. So we're going to take out the background. Notice there is still some more background, so let's take her out. Cali, like them kicks, Cali. All right. So there we are. That's what we are looking for, and it will save us the headache of whatever this is going through. So this is our main one. So this is our SVG. I'm going to go ahead and exit that. Now the system can just kind of understand it a little bit more. My phone case is about 3 inches wide, so I don't want to go past 3 inches. So that's a good one right there. So we're going to go ahead and make that. Oh, so perfect. Okay, so hold on. We need to take out print. No fill. There we go. So let's go ahead and make her. Hey girl. Let's set her this way so I can print that. So with this, typically when you're making decals, you would not mirror it. But for this specific, we are going to mirror it because I'm going to be putting it on the inside of the case versus the outside of the case. If you put it on the outside, it might, you know, come off versus the inside. So I'll show you guys. So let's go ahead and mirror this. Continue. And then I will be using my premium outdoor vinyl. If you go ahead and put your Cricut machine on custom, you'll be able to browse all the materials. And I use premium outdoor vinyl, and then we'll go ahead and use more pressure. All right, so let's cut straight to getting it cut. So we are using 651 permanent vinyl for this one. So we're going to go ahead and get it on here, and be sure to mirror your image. Typically we don't mirror the image if we're doing a decal, but on this specific we are mirroring. Okay, so once you have your image all weeded, this is still the permanent vinyl. So once you have everything weeded, it did take me a little bit to get into these creases, but it does look good. So we're gonna go ahead and put our transfer tape over that. This is our transfer tape, and then we have our squeegee. So we're gonna go ahead and just get this so it can stick to our transfer tape really well. And this is some good transfer tape, so it shouldn't take too much. We're gonna give it a good. Now I'm gonna cut this out. Okay. So here is our image. I'm gonna give it one more. Okay. So like I said, here is our phone case here. So usually people do it on the outside, but this time I'm gonna do it on the inside, so it's guaranteed not to come off and peel off from the everyday use. So let's go ahead and peel the transfer tape off of the background, which it did stick. Amazing. So here is our, this is sticky, this is non-sticky. So let's go ahead, see where we want to place her. So I want to give her, I want to get it all the way to the edge. Let me cut this off. So I want her a little bit. Perfect. So there she is there. So if we look this side, there she is. And then that is the original picture right here. If you look, so we mirrored it and it was this way, but we put it inside out. So now it is this way. So then we'll go ahead, I'm gonna press it in here to make sure that it sticks to the plastic. And it should stay, her phone will be in the inside. She'll never have to touch the actual vinyl itself. So this should last forever. Technically, if you never touch the vinyl, it should never come off. It doesn't fade. If she doesn't want to change her case, gets a new phone, etc. Okay, so let's go ahead and peel it off. See if it's stuck. Ooh, that was a good stick. Ooh, Callie. Ooh, schmancy. This is my first time doing this, and I like it. All right, and there we go. There is our case. Let me go ahead and put this in here. Perfect. That is how you convert a picture into a SVG file for a decal. If you have any questions, please let me know. I will link those websites down below, the ones that we spoke about earlier. And please stay tuned for more videos, and we will see you later. Bye.